So you have to have an understanding of what is probate property. So probate property are assets that are distributed to heirs by the surrogate court in a probate or an administration proceeding. So essentially, how I like to explain it to clients is probate property is property that does not have a legal direction to go. This does not pass by operation of law. Some examples are real property that is titled solely in the decedent's name. Okay. For tangible personal property is jewelry, stamp collection, couches, pets. If you own a cow, that would be tangible personal property. Bank accounts that are only in the deceased name or the testator's name or the your client's name. Business interest in a partnership, corporation, or limited liability company. Life insurance policy that either does not list a beneficiary or it lists the estate as the beneficiary. So we always ask how a property titled and whether or not it's probate property. Essentially, does it have a operation of law to go to? So joint accounts are not probate property.